हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज की इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कुछ ऐसी जॉब्स जो कि हैं रिलेटेड टू पाइथन डेवलपर रोल। तो इस रोल में यू आर ऑलरेडी वर्किंग और यू आर एक्टिवली looking for a job change, then you can refer this video. Even if you just started your career and you have experience of less than 1 year, then also you should check this video, because in this video I have 5 jobs from different localities and from different companies who are hiring Python developers, senior Python developer, that to experience of less than 6 months or less than 1 year, and they are providing pretty decent salary. वीडियो आगे बढ़ाएं उससे पहले लेट मी इंट्रोड्यूस माई सेल्फ. माई नेम इज हरीश सिंह. आई एम अ ब्लॉगर, अ यूट्यूबर एंड अ जॉब सर्च कंसल्टेंट एज वेल. एंड टाइम टू टाइम आपको अपने वीडियोस के थ्रू, अपने इंस्टाग्राम पेज के थ्रू, फेसबुक पेज के थ्रू जॉब नोटिफिकेशंस अवेलेबल कराता रहता हूँ. In future, if you do not want to lose out any opportunity related to data science field, full stack developer field, or DevOps engineer, then you must follow and subscribe my YouTube channel. Also follow and subscribe my Facebook page and my Instagram page so that you do not miss out any opportunity. अब बढ़ते हैं अपने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और देखते हैं किस किस लोकेशन में जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं, व्हाट आर द नेम ऑफ दीज कंपनीज एंड सैलरी दीज कंपनीज आर ऑफरिंग. उससे पहले जस्ट अ स्मॉल रिक्वेस्ट, इफ यू आर न्यू टू दिस वीडियो, वाचिंग दिस वीडियो फर्स्ट टाइम, then do subscribe it, share it with your needy friends. Let's jump to the laptop screen and see what are the jobs available for this week.
तो फ्रेंड्स आ गए हैं हमने लैपटॉप स्क्रीन पे और जैसा कि मैंने आपको बताया था कि आज जो जॉब्स अवेलेबल हैं दीज आर रिलेटेड टू पाइथन डेवलपर एंड सीनियर पाइथन डेवलपर. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द वीडियो. So Pele just wanted to let you know about my Instagram page, which is Job Search Guru for you, which you can follow and you can get the latest job notifications. Also, my website www.callcentertalks.com, where you can submit your resume, and my team will certainly get back to you. So let's start the job piece now. So the first company is LEPTON Software. This company is in Gurgaon. Salary they are offering is 6 lakhs per annum to 9 lakhs per annum. Role is Python developer backend and experience is 6 months to 2 years. It means if you have just started your career and have experience of 1 year, less than 1 year, then also you can apply for the job post. Let's look into the primary responsibility this company is looking for. Design and implement backend services using Python, ensuring performance, scalability, and reliability. Develop, refine, and optimize our data models, database design, and data flow. Collaborate closely with our team of engineers and product managers to define and execute a special product team. Participate in all stages of the development process from concept to design. Conduct comprehensive testing for new features. Now, what are the required skills they are looking for is proficiency in handling scalable systems and big data infrastructure, solid understanding of databases, structures, data management, and database design, experience with cloud platforms like services like AWS, Google Cloud, exceptional problem solving abilities, and strong analytical thinking, excellent communication and team working skills. Then, if you want to apply for the job post of LEPTON software, then you should visit the description box where I've already given the bit.ly link for this company called LEPTON software. The second company in the list is TECHNOARCH Softwares. This company is in Noida. Salary they are offering is 7 lakhs per annum to 9 LPA. They are looking for Python developer and education is engineering degree from an accredited university or college. What they are looking for is proven experience working with Python, good understanding of data structure, algorithm, and OS concepts, apply and integrate technologies such as Python, Ajax, web services, HTML, and JavaScript, and then experience with cloud services such as Amazon, Google, or Microsoft, then responsible for managing the interchange of data between the server and the users. Now, these are nice to have, it means these are optional, but if you have, then it will definitely outshine your resume. Preference of working on GNU Linux platform, experience in at least one of the following frameworks: Django, Flask, Falcon, Web2 Twisted, working knowledge of MySQL, Mongo, Redis, and experience on Apache, HTTP, and then comfortable with Bash, SSH, Git, Emacs, Vim, and working in a terminal in general. If you want to apply for this job post for TechnoArch softwares, then again you need to visit to the description box where you can find the link over there. The third company in the list is NIRA Finance. This is a fintech startup, and this company is hiring for the role of Python developer in Bangalore location. Experience 1 to 2 years. Salary is 7 LPA to 15 LPA. Experience education is bachelor's degree in computer science. Roles and responsibilities: end-to-end execution from design and development to testing of solutions written in Python for various business use cases. Build automation across customer life cycle, including but not limited to credit decision. Work on exciting data analysis projects, he'll carry significant responsibility and ownership of the technology. Now, technical skills are 1 to 2 years of experience in Python, self-sufficiently in querying and extracting data from SQL database, ability to collaborate on projects and work independently when required, and be excited about the power of technology. So these are some technical skills these companies looking for. And if you want to know about this company is a fintech startup offering small ticket loans to blue and gray collared workers via its mobile app and website. To apply for the job post, simply visit the description box and you can get the link over there in which you can click and you can land to the career page of NIRA Finance. The fourth company in the list is BETSOL. This company is hiring for the role of senior backend developer Python, experience 2 to 3 years. Location is Bangalore. Education bachelor's degree in computer science or related discipline preferred. Salary, which is estimated 7 lakhs to 9 lakhs per annum. Now, some roles and responsibilities. Someone with at least 2 to 3 years of experience building backend system using the following languages: Python, Java. Someone who has an experience on working with microservices, experience who takes ownership or delivery therapy, thereby not only closing our own work but also identifying dependencies and making sure they follow the track towards completion. Someone who is not averse to learning and growth and has an open mind about input suggestions from any stakeholders. Now let's look into technical skills, experience in the fintech domain and or B2C product experience, engineering degree in computer science, working on projects with massive user scale 1 million plus DAU especially. Then again, to apply for the job post, you can click the link from the description box. The fifth company in the list is Vinnovate Technologies. This company is hiring for the role of intern Python developer. Location is remote, experience 0 to 1 year, education bachelor in computer science, and salary as per exposure. Roles and responsibilities: candidate should be willing to work 6 hours a day. Having relevant skills or certification related to the domain will be additional benefit. Should be willing to join immediately. Good exposure to other programming languages in addition to Python will be an added advantage. Generate code and review code already generated by other team. Some technical skills: strong proficiency in Python programming language, understanding of SQL and database management system, machine learning and deep learning exposure, React.js, Node.js, which are option good to have. If you want to apply for the job post, simply visit the description box and you can find the bit.ly link by which you can directly land to the career page of Vinnovate Technologies. So guys, these are 5 jobs for today, in which you saw 4 jobs are work from office and one is a remote. So if you have experience, not mature experience, not very good experience of more than 5 years, if you have experience of less than 1 year also, then you can apply for these jobs. And do pause the video and see, go through with the entire questions, any suggestions, or if you are looking specifically for any job, or if you want a video to be prepared on specifically on a career, then you can put this in the comment box. Also, you can share me your concern over my mail ID, which I'll be sharing in my description box. Thanks for watching the video. Have a great rest of your day.